Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I'm going to tell you about an interesting feature of iOS 17, which is screen distance. If you have iPhone and your iPhone is upgradable to iOS 17, then you can avail this feature, which is screen distance. So the question is how you can access that. To access that, you have to open settings, then scroll down, and here you can see the option of screen time. Tap on it. Now tap on screen distance. It is the fourth option in the row. Here it is written that to reduce eye strain and risk of myopia in children, screen distance will allow you to hold your iPhone or iPad with Face ID at recommended distance. Now you have to tap on continue. Now again it is giving some instructions. Read them all and carefully, and then you have to click on continue again. Now screen distance option is turned on. Whenever your child or even you hold iPhone at unorthodox distance, it will alert you to hold it back. So by this way, you can easily turn on screen distance in your iPhone if you have iOS 17. In my opinion, it is a very useful feature added in iOS 17. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.